Hello students, in this video I will explain how to prove all basic formulas in trigonometry starting from cos A minus B to sin 2A, sin 3A, sin A plus B, sin A minus B, cos A plus B, cos A minus B, tan A plus B, tan A minus B, and product of sin A, sin B, cos A, cos B, like that. All the formula I will explain. First, the formula for proof is cos of A minus B equal to cos A, cos B plus sin A, sin B. Let P and Q be the unit circle such that XO P equal to A and XO Q equal to B. Actually, this is a concept for this circle with unit center, with radius R and theta is, so coordinate is R cos theta, comma R sin theta, R cos theta, comma R sin theta. But in this case, R equal to 1 and theta equal to A for this point, angle is A. For this angle is A. For this angle is B. So the coordinates are, since it is unit radius, this is 1 and this is 1. Therefore 1 into cos A, comma 1 into sin A, and here 1 into cos B, comma sin B. So first draw a circle, mark a point A and B on the circle, and then write the coordinate of this. Then the coordinates of P and Q are cos A, sin A and cos B, comma sin B. Apply distance formula for PQ. So what is distance formula? D square equal to x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. Okay. Therefore, cos A minus cos B the whole square plus sin A minus sin B the whole square. Expanding this, cos square A minus 2 cos A cos B plus cos square B, sin square A minus 2 sin A sin B plus sin square B. Grouping the terms with respect to angle A and angle B, cos square A plus sin square A, this term and this term, cos square B plus sin square B, and minus 2 cos A cos B minus 2 sin A sin B. This is 1 and the second term value is also 1. 1 plus 1 minus 2 into the remaining terms. 1 plus 1 is 2 and 2 minus 2, take 2 common outside, minus 2 common, minus 2 into cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Now imagine that the unit circle is rotated so that Q is at 1, 0. Second figure, this figure I will draw in the second page. The previous figure B is there, now B here on at 1, 0 and A is somewhere here, this is A and this angle equal to BOA equal to A minus B. Then what is the angle? R cos theta, R equal to 1, theta is A minus B, cos of A minus B, comma sin of A minus B. Now again apply distance formula for AB. This is P and this is Q. PQ square. PQ square equal to cos of A minus B minus 1. This x1 minus x2 the whole square plus sin A minus B minus 0 the whole square. Cos square minus 2 cos A cos B plus 1 plus sin square. Grouping first and fourth term, cos square A minus B plus sin square A minus B plus 1 minus 2 cos A minus B. The value of the whole term is 1 and 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 minus 2 cos A cos B. Here 2 minus 2 cos A minus B plus sin of A minus B. But here 2 minus 2 into cos of A minus B. From equation 1 and 2, LHS are equal and hence RHS are equal. RHS equal to RHS. So 2 minus twice of cos A minus B equal to 2 minus this the whole expression. First cancel 2. Then minus 2 into cos A minus B equal to minus 2 into cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Now cancel minus 2 again. So what is the final expression now? Cos A minus B equal to cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. This is the first formula in trigonometry and the remaining formula based on this proof only. But this proof is not important for examination point of view. To understand the concepts involved in formula, so if you learn the proof, not for examination point of view, if you learn the proof, it will be useful for further formulas. So this is the original formula. Assume that this is formula is star. Okay. Cos of A minus B equal to cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Same function, but here if it is minus, here it is plus opposite sign. Prove that. Second formula. Hereafter no need to apply this lengthy proof. Based on this star formula, we can prove other formulas. Cos of A plus B equal to cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. What is the general rule for cosine function? Same function but opposite sign. Here it is plus and here it is minus. So cos of A minus B. So write the star formula. This is star formula. Cos of A plus B. Rewrite A plus B in terms of A minus B. A plus B in terms of A minus B. So how to write A minus B? Cos of plus B can be written as minus of minus B. Now apply star formula. Cos A cos of minus B. Sin A sin of minus B. We know that sin of minus B is minus sin B. And the cos of minus B equal to cos B. Cos B. So cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. So how to prove cos A plus B? Rewrite plus B as minus of minus B, then apply star formula. This is second proof. Third proof. Sin A plus B equal to sin A cos B plus sin cos A sin B. Previous two functions are cosine. Now next two functions are sine. For sine, what is the general rule? Same function but opposite sign. But here same sign but complementary function. Sin A plus B equal to sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Now we know, as again write the star formula. What is star formula? Cos of A minus B equal to cos A cos B plus sin A sin B plus sin A sin B. Now write sin A plus B, convert in terms of, here some typing error is there, cos of 90 sin theta equal to cos of 90 plus B, which is equal to cos of 90 minus A minus B. Now apply star formula. Use star formula. Cos of, here typing error, cos of 90 minus A into cos B. What is the star formula rule? Same function but opposite sign. Cos of 90 minus A into cos B. Sin of 90 minus A into sin B. Complementary formula. What is cos 90 minus A? Say sin A into cos B. Sin 90 minus A. What is sin 90 minus A? Cos A into sin B. So very important. Here A plus B is there. So next formula, sin A minus B equal to sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. Using above formula, you can use sin A plus B. This is the above formula, formula number 3. Sin A minus B, write minus B as A plus B. So minus B can be written as plus of minus B. Okay, so apply this formula, formula 3, sin A cos of minus B. So different function, same sign. Sin A cos of minus B plus cos A sin of minus B. This is first angle and this is second angle. Sin of first angle cos of minus B plus cos of A sin of minus B. Cos of minus theta is cos theta. So here also cos of minus B equal to cos B. So four basic formulas are proved. First formula, cos A minus B equal to cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Second formula, cos A plus B. Second formula, cos A plus B. Cos A plus B equal to cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. And third formula, sin A plus B equal to sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. And fourth formula, sin A minus B equal to sin A sin B minus cos A cos B. From formula 3 and 4 you have a standard pattern, different functions but same sign, plus and plus. Here also minus and minus but same function. Whereas in cos, same function but different sign. Left side minus is there, right side will be plus. If left side is plus is there, right side should be minus. Okay, so four major formulas proved. Now tan of A plus B. First, tan of a plus b equal to sine of a plus b, because what is tan theta equal to? Tan theta equal to sine theta by cos theta. So sine of a plus b by cos of a plus b. Apply the formula, same sign, different function. Sine a cos b plus cos a sine b. Cos a plus b, same function but different sign. So since it is plus, here it is minus, but the same function, cos a cos b minus sine a sine b. Always change this number as 1. How to convert this number as 1? Divide by the same number. Divide both numerator and denominator by what? Cos a cos b. So sine of, for numerator, sine a cos b by cos a cos b, cos a sine b by cos a cos b, cos a cos b by cos a cos b, minus sine a sine b by cos a sine b. Now cancel these values. Cos b cancel, cos a cancel, both gets cancel. Now what is the remaining term? Sine a by cos a, tan a, and sine b by cos b, tan b. Denominator 1 minus, both are there. Sine a by cos a, tan a, sine b by cos b, tan b. So how to remember this formula? Tan a plus b equal to tan of a, tan of a plus b by 1 minus tan a tan b. Numerator same sign, denominator opposite sign. This is a simple technique. Avoid by hiding the formulas. Numerator equal to same, numerators have same sign and denominators have denominator opposite sign. Now same concept, but some middle sign is minus, tan of a minus b. That a minus b, already we discussed, minus b can be written as plus of minus b. So tan of a plus minus b, tan of a plus minus b equal to tan a plus minus tan b, tan a plus tan of minus b by 1 minus tan a tan of minus b. What is tan of minus theta? Since tan theta is an odd function, so tan of minus theta equal to minus tan theta, minus tan theta. Tan of minus theta equal to minus tan theta. Okay, so and hence this becomes tan a minus tan b by 1 plus tan of minus b is minus tan b, that becomes 1 plus tan a tan b. Here it is minus sign, therefore minus sign, but here it is opposite sign. So 6 formulas over. Tan of 5th formula tan a plus b, and 6th formula tan a minus b. Next 4 formulas are very important for 4 mark questions proof, but these 4 formulas are very dangerous. Very often you will forget these formulas. Now I will give the shortcut techniques how to remember this formula and how to recall this. First formula, product of sine functions, sine a plus b into sine a minus b equal to sine square a minus sine square b. That is only in terms of sine function. A first, b second, same as the original order. Sine a plus b, sine a minus b. What is the general rule for sine a plus sine function? Opposite function, same sign. So sine a cos b plus cos a sine b into sine a minus b, sine a cos b minus cos a sine b. So assume this is x and this is y, x plus y, x minus y. So x square minus y square. What is x square? Sine square a cos square b minus cos square a sine square b. But we need only in terms of sine. We don't need cos. So replace. How to replace cos by sine? Cos square theta equal to 1 minus sine square theta. So wherever cos square is there, replace by 1 minus sine square. Cos square b. This cos square b can be converted into 1 minus sine square b, and cos square a can be converted into 1 minus sine square a. Now multiply this, you have one additional step. Sine square a minus sine square a sine square b minus sine square b plus sine square a sine square b. These two gets cancelled, and hence the final step is sine square a minus sine square b. If it is same function, same order. Order is a and b. Here order is a and b, and hence the results are sine square a minus sine square b. Very important for proof of 4 mark questions. We will discuss in the other class. Next, cos a plus b into cos a minus b. Cos a plus b into cos a minus b. Actually, this is similar to the formula just now we proved. That formula is only in terms of sine, but here it is only in terms of cos. What is the angle's order? Order is reverse. Whenever it is if you want only in terms of sine, the condition is same. If you want only in terms of cos, it is reverse order. Reverse order. Reverse order. Reverse order. So sin A plus B, same formula, only thing is previous proof we replace cos square by 1 minus sin square. Now replace sin square A by 1 minus cos square A, sin square B by 1 minus cos square B. Multiply cos square B minus cos square A cos square B minus cos square A plus cos square A cos square B. These two terms gets cancelled and hence cos square B minus cos square A. So how to remember these two formulas? If it is only sine, same angles, angles are in same order, sin square A minus sin square B. If it is in only in terms of cos, reverse order of angle, that is cos square B minus cos square A. This is a shortcut method, so avoid blind by heading the formula. Now formula number 8, show that cos A plus B into cos A minus B equal to cos square A minus sin square B. And next formula, cos square B minus sin square A. Cos square B minus sin square A. First, write cos A. What is the general rule for cosine function? What is the how to recall the cosine function? Same function but opposite sign. Same function but opposite sign. Here the sign is plus, so middle sign is minus. And same function, cos A cos B minus sin A sin B, and cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. But anyway, x plus y into x minus y format, x square minus y square. Now at this stage you need very important trick. Angle A only in terms of cos, angle B only in terms of sine. So angle A in terms of cos, B in terms of sine, but here it is in terms of cos. So replace that. And A in terms of cos, but here A in terms of sine, replace this. Fix other two functions. So what is cos square B? 1 minus sin square B. What is sin square A? 1 minus cos square A. So here we have one more additional step. Cos square A minus cos square A sin square B minus sin square A minus sin square A plus cos square A sin square B. These two gets cancelled and hence cos square A minus sin square B. Cos square A minus sin square B. So cosine, first in both the orders are same, cos AB and BA, but the functions are cos minus sin alone. Okay, so cos square A minus, first function is always cos, second function is always sin. Second function is always sine, only the angle changes. First one is AB, second one is BA. Okay, cos A plus B into cos A minus B, cos A cos B minus sin A sin B, and the second function cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. So x square minus y square, but here B in terms of cos, A in terms of sin. If cos A is there, replaced by sin square A. If sin B is there, replaced by cos square B. Cos A is there, replaced by sin square A. Sin B is there, replaced by cos square B. So 1 minus sin square A, 1 minus cos square B. If you multiply cos square B minus sin square A cos square B minus sin square A, and these two terms gets cancelled, plus sin square A into cos square B. Opposite terms gets cancelled. The answer is cos square B minus sin square A. Now last, so far we proved 10 formula. Last 6 formula, product of cos A plus B, cos A minus B, and sin A minus B, sin A plus B. So how to recall all the formulas? I will give the shortcut technique. First, sin A plus B into sin A minus B. So what is the formula? So in terms of sin square A minus sin square B. Second formula, that is 10th formula, in terms of cos, which is equal to cos square B minus sin square A. Two formulas over. Now, what is how to recall this cos A plus B into cos A minus B? This is cos square B minus sin square A, or cos square A minus sin square B. That's all. So initially we have 6 formulas. What are the 6 formulas? Do you remember? Cos of A minus B, cos of A plus B, sin of A plus B, sin of A minus B, tan of A plus B, tan of A minus B. So 1 to 6 formula over, and this is 7 to 10 formula over. So far we proved 10 formulas. These are all the 2 mark questions. Formula number 7 to 10 is 2 mark question for school exam or annual exam. 2 marks. Formula number 7 to 10. Either 2 marks or as 2 marks question only. And this is important for proving or evaluating. Next, we have 7 formulas. Multiples of 2A. Multiple angles. This is multiples of A. For sin A, sin 2A. 2 formulas. Cos 2A. 4 formulas. Tan 2A. 1 formula. Tan 2A, 1 formula. So total is 4 plus 2, 6 plus 1, another 7 formulas. Very, very important for 2 mark questions. And this is fundamental for, these formulas are useful for calculus also. First, sin 2A. So how to write 2A? 2A can be written as A plus A plus A, sin of A plus A. For sin function, what is the rule? See, note, very important, don't by heart the formula. Different function, same sign. So sin A is cos A plus cos A sin A. Both the terms are same. Only the orders are different. And hence we can write it as 2 sin A cos A. How to write? Once again I will explain. Sin of A plus A equal to different function, same sign. Sin A cos A plus cos A sin A. Twice of sin A cos A. This is 1. So 2 sin A cos A, 2 tan A by 1 plus tan square A. And this is cos square A minus sin square A, 1 minus 2 sin square A, 2 cos square A minus 1, 1 minus tan square A by 1 plus tan square A. This is 2 tan A by 1 plus tan square A. Okay. Now, how to prove? Say same sin 2A only, but here in terms of sin and cos, here in terms of only tan. The second formula is only tan. Very simple technique. This stage is very, very important. You will forget in the exam. This is very dangerous step. So what is the step applied? Multiply and divide by cos A. Multiply and divide by cos A. If you multiply and divide by cos A, this becomes what? 2 sin into cos by cos. Okay. So what is cos into cos? Cos square. And they group these two. 2 sin by cos into cos square A. Sin by cos is tan A. If you transpose tan square A to denominator, so what is secant A equal to? Secant A is the reciprocal of cos A, or cos A equal to 1 by secant A. So cos A equal to 1 by secant A. But what is secant square A? We have 10th standard identity. Yes, 1 plus tan square A. So what is the working rule here? Multiply and divide by, here write this step 2 sin A cos A into cos A by cos A. Group these two. Okay. This is sin 2A. Sin 2A only 2 formula. First one is direct formula in terms of sin and cos. And second formula only in terms of tan. Now cos 2A. Cos 2A we have 4 formulas. One is in terms of sin and cos. Another one is in terms of sine alone, in terms of cos alone, in terms of tan alone. In trigonometry, the major maximum number of times we can use the formula is cos 2a. Cos 2a. So what is again the same, whatever the concept applied here, the same concept here you have to apply. 2a equal to a plus a. Cos a cos. What is the rule for cosine function? Same function, different sign. Cos a minus sin a sin a. So cos into cos, cos square a minus sin into sin, sin square a. This is the first formula for cosine function. This formula is over. This formula over, this formula over. Next formula only in terms of sine. So we don't need this cos square a. So after proving this, up to this same, after proving this, replace cos square a by 1 minus sin square a. Cos square a by 1 minus sin square a. Group these two. 1 minus 2 sin square a. 1 minus. So how to get the second formula? Just replace cos square a by 1 minus sin square a. This is only in terms of sin a, only in terms of sin a. Next, only in terms of cos a. Since we need cos a, we don't need this term. So replace sin square a by 1 minus cos square a. Minus into minus plus. Cos square a plus cos square a, 2 cos square a minus 1. 2 cos square a minus 1. Okay. Next, cos 2a. This is base for all the three remaining formulas. Cos square a minus sin square a. So taking cos square a outside, 1 minus sin square a by cos square a, 1 minus sin square a by cos square a, 1 minus sin square by cos square a, that is tan square a. Now again replace, move cos square a to the denominator. If you move to the denominator, that becomes secant square a. Secant square a can be written as 1 plus tan square a. So what is the concept applied here? This is very important, you will forget. Taking cos square a as common factor. Cos square a as common factor. So cos square a into 1 minus sin square a by cos square, tan square a. Cos square a is 1 minus tan square a as it is. If you transpose to denominator secant square a, that is 1 plus tan square a. So far we discussed 4 formulas for cos 2a. Again I will revise the formula. Cos 2a equal to, what is the first formula? Yes, cos square a minus sin square a. This is in terms of cos and sine. In terms of sine alone, so how to write in terms of sine alone? Do you remember? 1 minus 2 sin square. Whenever it is sine, 1 is a greater value. Next, whenever it is cos is a greater value. So 2 cos square a minus 1. In terms of tan, 1 minus tan square a by 1 plus tan square a. In exam sometimes you will forget whether the denominator is minus or plus. So I will give one simple technique. This, how to derive this 1 plus tan square a from secant square a. So what is secant square a? Sorry, secant square a. What is the tensor identity? Both the formulas, cos 2a in terms of tan 2a and previous page, sin 2a in terms of tan a. So denominator is always plus because that is derived from secant square a. Okay. So 4 formulas over in terms of cos 2a. So next formula, tan 2a. I will explain how to prove tan 2a formula. Tan 2a equal to tan of a plus a. What is tan 2 theta formula? 2 tan theta by, okay, tan, first we will prove. Now I will prove tan 2a formula. Tan 2a equal to tan of a plus a. What is tan a plus b formula? Tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b. Here a and b are equal. A and b are equal. So tan a plus tan a, 2 tan a into tan a, tan square a. So 2 tan a by 1 minus tan square a. Apply tan a plus b formula and simplify the numerator and denominator separately. Next 8 formulas, 7 formulas is submultiple angle formula. Submultiple angles formula. This is similar to sin 2a, cos 2a, tan 2a. There left side 2a is there, right side will be a. Here left side is a, right side is half of that value. So these 7 formula, right side expression contains angles as a by 2. Sin a, sin of a equal to any value can be written as twice of half of that value, correct? Any value can be written as twice of half of that value. So a equal to 2 twice of a by 2. Assume this is 2a, sin 2a. Assume this is theta. What is sin 2 theta? 2 sin theta into cos theta. 2 sin theta into cos theta. Correct? Next, everything same. Sin a equal to 2 tan a by 1 plus tan square a by 2. 2 tan square a by 2 by 1 plus tan square a by 2. Sin a equal to sin of 2 into tan a by 2. What is sin 2a in terms of tan? Sin 2 theta equal to 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. So here this is theta. Sin 2 theta equal to 2 tan a by 2 by 1 plus tan square a by 2. Further you can't simplify. This is the final expression. Next term. Cos a equal to cos square a by 2 minus sin square a by 2. Cos a can be written as cos of 2a by 2. What is cos 2 theta formula? Cos square theta minus sin square theta. So cos square of theta, theta is a by 2 and here theta is b by 2. Cos square a by 2 minus sin square a by 2. Next, cos 2a, cos 2 theta, another formula. 2 cos square theta minus 1. Here not this formula, 1 minus 2 sin square theta. So cos a equal to twice of a by 2. So what is cos 2a equal to? 1 minus 2 sin square theta. 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Here this is theta. A by 2 is theta. 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Next, cos 2a in terms of cos. What is cos 2a in terms of cos? Cos 2 theta equal to 2 cos square theta minus 1. So this is theta equal to 2 cos square a by 2 minus 1. This is cos a formula. Next, cos 2a theta in terms of tan theta. 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta. So a can be written as twice of a by 2 and apply this formula 1 minus tan square theta. Here theta is a by 2. 1 minus tan square a by 2 by 1 plus tan square a by 2. And last formula tan a of angle formula. What is tan 2a formula? Tan 2 theta. Tan 2 theta equal to 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. So 2 tan a by 2 by, sorry, here it is minus 1 minus tan square a by 2. So submultiple angles, 7 formulas over. So initially we discussed 2a, multiples of 2a, 7 formula, and submultiple angles, 7 formula. Totally 14 formulas over. If you like this video, don't forget to share and subscribe our YouTube channel. Also, don't forget to press bell icon to get subsequent videos